With the addition of a virtual platform, the PowerTest conference is now more accessible than ever before. For those who are unable to attend the in-person event, consider taking advantage of this online resource, called PowerTest TV. As the opportunities to participate in PowerTest expand beyond the in-person event, here are a few virtual conference highlights to keep in mind. PowerTest TV is available now through June 30th. With the busy schedules of NETA technicians in mind, PowerTest TV will remain open for virtual attendees through the end of June 2022, offering unparalleled flexibility to those in need of a relevant and convenient training resource. PowerTest TV offers up to 48 NETA CTD credits and 4.8 CEUs. With content packages eligible for 30 or 48 CTD credits, or the equivalent of 3 or 4.8 CEUs, virtual conference attendees have the ability to select the registration best suited to their professional needs. Lastly, PowerTest TV is a convenient way to satisfy technician recertification requirements. With an abundance of technical content available, PowerTest TV offers cutting-edge content and a hassle-free, administratively approved option to fulfill NETA recertification requirements. The virtual PowerTest platform is a training asset offering an incredible value to NETA's certified technicians and NETA-accredited companies. Register now for PowerTest TV to access the premier electrical maintenance and safety conference today.